Hey all, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to remove, test and reinstall the power back door closer switch, which is the button that closes the power back door on this 2023 Toyota Sienna. You can use a trim tool to get behind the edge and pop it out, and I'll put the links to some of the tools you may find useful in doing this job in the video description. There we go. So now we can pull this out, and there's a connector in the back. Just pinch this little tab right here and disconnect the connector. Now we can test it using a multimeter for resistance when we press the button and see if it works. It's got 4 pins inside of it. So the outer 2 pins, the very far right one and the very far left one, are the illumination. And then the 2 inner pins, so the number 2 and number 5, are for the actual switch. The 2 middle spots, 3 and 4, are blank, they're empty. So we need to connect our ohm meter between the 2 inner pins right here, and then press the button and see what we get. So right now, the ohm meter is showing an open circuit. And then when I press the button, it should drop to essentially 0 or less than 1 ohm. And when you let go, it's open circuit again. So that shows that the switch is operational. If the result was not as specified, you pressed it and you still had an open circuit, that would tell you that the switch is bad and needs to be replaced. Another problem you might have is that the LED inside this doesn't light up. Now it's a pretty small issue and you may not care about it, but there is a way to check that LED as well. We can supply power to the 2 outer pins. The one on this side will be the negative and this will be the positive. So you'll need a 12-volt battery, either from your vehicle or an auxiliary battery, to supply power to this. Now you need to be really careful so that when you're messing with it, you don't short your positive and negative wires while you're supplying the power, because that's going to create a big spark and cause problems for you. So be mindful of that. If you determine that the switch is faulty and you need to replace it, there are these 2 tabs right here that need to be depressed. You can usually just do it by hand like this, and it pops right out. And then when you get your new one, you would take it and then reinstall it back in and press it until it clips in and is secure in there. To reinstall, reconnect the connector until it clicks, and then line it up and press it in. The top has the clips that get engaged and disengaged, and the bottom has the hooks. So we just press it like this, and that's all done. Now we can test it and make sure it still works. Great. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you'd like to see more Toyota Sienna maintenance and repair videos. See you next time. Cheers.